C2VN's YouTube channel. I'm Nguyen Van Hugh from Cardano2VN.io. Today I will share about the smart contract of the Dualtarget project. This is the main condition of the smart contract, consisting of 4 use cases. The first is refund redeemer, which is a condition for the use case where only the owner can withdraw or spend UTXOs. The second use case is BIDAR redeemer, which represents the BIADA condition in the smart contract and is also performed by bot trading. The third use case is sell ADA redeemer, representing the redeemer condition for the sell ADA case, also performed by bot trading. Finally, there is the invalid redeemer, which represents the condition for the remaining case. When executing this condition, it is always false, causing the contract to fail and not spend any UTXO on the smart contract. Now, let's describe the code of the smart contract directly. The smart contract is written in option language, the language for writing smart contracts on Cardano. Option is developed using the Python language. Here we start by declaring the libraries. These are the 2 main libraries that Option uses to write smart contracts on Cardano. Next is the variable dual access, including policy ID and token name. Next is a very important variable in this smart contract, Dualtarget params. It is the datum variable of UTXO in the smart contract. Dualtarget uses it to include the owner's wallet address, the beneficiary's wallet address, the ADA property, the minimum amount of ADA required, the access out corresponding to JED, the minimum amount out, the minimum number of JED when selling ADA, the minimum amount out profit, the amount of JED profit in this order, buy price, sell price, the strategy, fee of Dualtarget, the output ADA, the number of ADA attached to the UTXO containing DJED, the exchange wallet address, the validator's address, and the deadline for beneficiaries to receive ADA. Finally, there is the limit order variable, used to set limit order or profit statuses. Okay, next are the variables and functions that Redeemer uses. The first is claim redeemer, setting the integer value to 0. The second is refund redeemer, with a value equal to 1. The third is trading redeemer, with a value equal to 2. The fourth is buy redeemer, with a value of 3. The fifth is sell ADAR redeemer, with a value of 4. Next are the functions we will use in the smart contract. First is signed by the owner, including 2 arguments, datum and context. This function retrieves the signature in context and compares it to the datum of owner. Next is the beneficiary's signature. Next comes the third function, a function signed by bot trading. All right, let's go to the main validator function of the smart contract. It includes 3 arguments. The first is datum defined by the Dualtarget params variable. The second is the redeemer. The third is context, option language. We will set these variables to false. This is entering the for loop. We retrieve the context.txinfo reference inputs, and we get the datum in reference input. Then this DC condition will compare to see if there is a bot signature in the context. If correct, transactions are allowed. It is in the second and third use cases described above. Next is checking the outputs of the transaction. This item will check the outputs. First of all, check the address to receive the floor fee. And the floor fee is the amount of ADA that will be larger. If true, FP will be equal to true. If not, check the validator address. This is checking the address of the smart contract, and it's right. Then we calculate the amount of ADA as Lovelace, and value token will be equal to this token number, JED. Then we will get the datum. This datum is of the UTXO being spent. The condition is datum equal to datum.output. The second condition is the isLimit condition. If it is equal to 2, then it is a UTXO that can be ordered again. It can be UTXO limit order buy or limit order sell. Next are the Lovelace number conditions for selling ADA. If not, check the amount of tokens. Token amount must be greater than minimum amount out. If true, it is sell ADA. If not true, these 2 conditions will be equal to false. Next, we will check the condition as the second UTXO. Token amount must be greater than minimum amount out profit, and condition is limit order equal to 0. Then VPP is equal to true. Otherwise, all these variables are equal to false, the opposite of the above condition. The final UTXO condition is about the signing wallet, FO equals true. Next, we will go into the specific conditions for each use case. The case of refund redeemer is as described in the slides above. What conditions does it cover? Conditions FB equals true and FO equals true, datum oracle equals true, owner's signature, if it is correct, pass. If not, then false. The second case is redeemer equals buy ADAR redeemer, case of buy ADA. The condition is the FP floor fee. VPB is the buy ADA condition. VPD is the condition of datum. Condition signed by bot. The third condition is that redeemer equals sell.redeemer. It must also have FP, VPOSL, VPP, and VPD conditions. DC is the condition signed by bot. Okay, this is what we're using when testing so that we can get UTXO back to our wallet when there's an error. When running on mainnet, it will be removed. And this is the remaining condition of the smart contract. It is always false.
Nếu các bạn thấy thông tin này là hữu ích, hãy đăng ký kênh của chúng tôi bằng cách click vào nút chuông ngay bên dưới video này. Các bạn sẽ là những người đầu tiên nhận được thông tin khi chúng tôi ra những video mới. Nếu bạn muốn gia tăng thêm số ADA trong tài khoản của mình, hãy staking đến pool vị lai hoặc pool ADA của chúng tôi. Hướng dẫn staking chi tiết có ngay trong QR code các bạn thấy trên màn hình. Xin cảm ơn.